we back in the 240. And we got power steering, baby. Saw that shit quick, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. One-handed too. Look, check it out. Damn. I'm gonna get myself in trouble, boy. Let's go put my toy up. Got it, we got it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Something wanna hit. It's my driveway, guys. Hope I ain't fucking up the lawn, you know what I'm saying? Hey. It's my way in and out though. Can't use that. Yo, that was like the funnest ride I've had so far, that I was able to actually fucking push it to its limits. Not really its limits, but I gave it a little more than I usually give her. She sounded real good, real responsive too. The only issue now is I don't know if it's the head gasket. It's brand new. I know I did the job right, but I am getting a lot of bubbles. Check it out. Ah, I got one. 2, 3. There's a lot of gold in my coolant. I know, guys, I know. I've been flushing out my coolant already like 5 times. Still got plenty of gold to cash in. Eventually will be cleaned out. So got the new bands on there. Hell yeah. Motherfucker though. Fuck, I don't want to see no damn bubbles in there. Fuck you, bubbles. So that's where my temperature is sitting at. It likes to stay there. If you could please leave a comment down below and tell me if that's a normal temperature for you guys. I can't get it to go any lower than that. It's actually even sitting like at idle speed, and I haven't messed with anything else. So this right here is a very, very good sign to me.
Motherfucker. It's that big motherfucker in that coupe, sliding like the serpent. No guns, then big dub. I die, boy, I be that merchant. Catch from the permanent, brain damage permanent. Got 99 problems and not one of them concern a bitch. I'm in that Benz hollering, ooh, nah, nah, nah. Yeah, slicky with that 9, tell me who wanna die. I've been trouble since I was a youth. True fit up in the booth. Ride for my brothers, yeah, for them I'll do a sinner too. GR, E-Rock, E-Splat, 5-9. Fucked up since me hot, cutthroat, now see why they use me and they use me and they use me till I'm used up and they wonder why I stay high or at this. I'm puked up, might shoot up till I puke up. My cross that I bear, drop my kids off in that hole cause I pay well for that daycare. Knock, knock, who's that? Scarecrow with that dance there. Up 200,000 and my bitch still on welfare. Motherfucker.